Hey guys, we're about to head out on the 2019 Velocity 30-year trip.
Right now we're going to Seoul in South Korea.
We're going to be understanding what it is like to do business there, as well as meet other Kiwis who are overseas. See you there. Seoul. We just landed in Korea. Coach, how do you feel?
Man, that was a long man.
Dami, how do you feel?
I'm so tired. I can't wait to get to Hotel now.
I feel lit.
Yeah, no, we just went to sleep.
This is our first full day here in Korea, within Seoul. We woke up early this morning just to go have Macca's, and then we had a full-on day.
Yeah, so what we did is, after Macca's breakfast, we headed off to KT Square. So KT Square is the Korea Telecommunications company, and they've basically got the history of telecommunications in Korea and the future of it and what 5G actually holds. And then we actually headed up to here, which is one of the 4 entry points into Seoul back in the day.
And now we're preparing to go for our SK Telecom tour, which is just around the corner from here.
Yeah, we'll see you there.
Hey guys, so we're at the end of day 1, and what a day it's been. We've done so much today. Since we were at the gate, we went to SK Telecom and their experience, and that was such a cool experience. So we got to see the future of 5G, what their plan is, and they kind of took us through how 5G can be connected to everything and be like real-time responses to everything. They also took us through their city plans for 2049, how the city's gonna look and all that.
Moving on from that, we went to an esports stadium tour, where we got to watch some players play PUBG. Essentially how esports started in Korea was basically a nice little famous game called StarCraft, where different internet cafes would basically on their break or even after work, people would go there, literally play together. And then from there, they started playing competitively against different internet cafes, and then basically turned it into the billion-dollar industry that it is today.
It's been another big day, so we're going to be getting a tour from Incheon Smart City, but we'll get back to you on that. Alright, see you for now. Hey guys, it's the second day in Seoul. As you can see, it's a wet day. Essentially, we just were on the train for 2 hours from the hotel. We made it here, which is the Incheon Smart City Hub. We're about to have a presentation with one of the directors here, and just to see how to bring Seoul into the future. Alright guys, let's go. Hey guys, we just had the presentation from the director of the Incheon Smart City. So yeah, we just had the presentation. Now we're up here on level 33 and it's overlooking the Incheon Smart City, and it looks really nice even though it's quite wet. So what we're going to do now is each of us are just going to give you one brief point about what we kind of got out of this experience and what we got out of the presentation. So for me, I thought it was really interesting how they're tying in all these different technologies that people are using all around the city. So in terms of healthcare, in terms of thermal imaging for buildings, to having SOS buttons everywhere, and then having these certain areas where the camera can use AI to see if people actually need help, if they need medical assistance, or if there's criminal activities going on. I think that's really cool because it just ties into data science and data analytics. Yeah, and now we'll hear from somebody else.
안녕하세요. I guess the one thing I learned today from our tour with IFES, or the director from IFES. IFES is an organization that specializes in providing the infrastructure as well as the platform that allows these department agencies such as the police station, the fire agencies, basically real-time information of services and basically where they need to dispatch people, as well as understanding what is happening around the city in real time. And like, to me, that was pretty crazy to understand, as well as it shined a new light in providing public service and how we can maximize that efficiency as well as effectivity of these services. And you'll hear from someone else.
Hi, Danny's here. So the presentation we just had was really awesome. Like, it was mind-blowing, and for me, I learned a lot of things. And one thing that really stood out for me was them using the government data to do what they are doing, which is kind of like really impressive and different. And I think also I've read a lot of books. I've done a little bit of research about smart city, and it just looks really far-fetched. But now it's actually not in the future anymore. It's here. We are like in a smart city, which is like really cool.
It's only been 3 days, yet we have learned so much and experienced more than we had ever expected in Seoul. Our journey after the smart city was a connection made with the help of Kia New Zealand, where we met a fellow Kiwi who studied at the University of Otago, went to do consulting for McKinsey, and has been working at Samsung for the past 5 years. Alex gave incredibly valuable insight into working in a big Chibu company in Korea and the strict work culture that is significantly different to what we experience in New Zealand. There's plenty more to comment about, but that's for another video. Tune in for our next short video where we spent the next 2 days visiting KAIST University and experienced the past, present and future for Korea at the DMZ. 안녕히 가세요. Bye for now.